Hello and welcome to my kitchen. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today we're going to be making a pulled chicken barbecue sandwich. Done on the crock pot. It's very delicious, very juicy, and that chicken comes out really nice and tender. So let's get into the recipe. Alright, so let's start off by turning on our crock pot or slow cooker on high heat. I let this sit for like about 10 minutes. Now go ahead and add chicken broth, or like I did here is I took some water and added a little bit of chicken bouillon into it. Now go ahead and close that up and let it heat up for about 20 minutes. Once your crock pot has heated up, go ahead and take your lid off and add in some chicken breasts. For this cook I did 3 chicken breasts. I had a couple people over, so I kind of had to feed everyone. Go ahead and place them all in there and then just close it up and let it do its thing. Now, I did set this on earlier in the day. I let this cook for about 3.5 hours right before my company came over and I made the sandwiches. So this is really easy. Just go ahead and set it and forget it. So while your chicken's cooking, go ahead and make you a coleslaw. I actually did a coleslaw video. You can actually check the link over here in the right hand corner. This coleslaw recipe is really delicious. It's a must try. But yeah, this exact recipe for the coleslaw is what I use in these sandwiches. So go ahead and check that video out so that way you can see it. One thing to note though, on the cabbage, I left those longer cuts so that way they could kind of fill in on the sandwich a little bit more. But overall, this coleslaw recipe is really good. It's fresh and it's got a lot of crunch to it, and that dressing is just so delicious. It really comes in together. So once you get your coleslaw all made up and mixed together, go ahead and just put it in the fridge. Honestly, this is a set it and forget it recipe. Cooking on the crock pot is so easy. You could just place the chicken in there and just let it do its thing. With your crock pot settings on high, 3.5 hours is going to cook all your chicken breasts. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and drain out all that juice. You can use that as chicken broth for future cooks. I like to use it because it adds more flavor to whatever you're cooking. Once you have all the juice taken out of the crock pot, just go ahead and start shredding up all your chicken. You can use forks, but I have these claws right here that come in really handy. Now for 3 chicken breasts, I went ahead and used a whole bottle of barbecue sauce. This one here is Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. It's really delicious, it's nice and sweet, and it's got some savory to it. And it comes out really good with these chicken sandwiches. Okay, we are almost there. Trust me, this is really delicious. Once you get that barbecue sauce all mixed in with your chicken breast, we're ready to make our sandwiches. Okay, so you want to build this like you're ready to hit a home run. So just go ahead and lay down some chicken. Make sure you put enough in there so that way it's got a good layer. Trust me, once you get this all together, it's really good. Then go ahead and lay down some of that nice coleslaw that you just made. That's gonna give that crunch when you bite into it. And now we're ready to eat. I hope you like this recipe. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that we can see my future videos. Like, comment, and let me know what you think about this recipe. Oh yeah, check out my social media. And while you're at it, check out the 2 videos right there on the bottom. Now y'all be beautiful. Take care.